Ready to construct house sites near Vijayawada West Bypass and Inner Ring Road. Welcome to a golden opportunity in Vijayawada. Ready to construct house sites strategically located between West Bypass Road and Inner Ring Road, right beside the municipal corporation limits. Compared to a Bandar Road, Vijayawada Hyderabad Highway or Vijayawada Guntur Highway, these plots offer unbeatable advantages. Why? Because they are within the city, giving you the benefit of urban living with faster and easier access to all key destinations. From here, you are just 15 minutes to Vijayawada bus stand, 15 minutes to Vijayawada railway station, 30 minutes to Gannavaram International Airport. Not only that, direct routes connect you to Hyderabad, Chennai and Vizag, making travel smoother than ever before. Located beside developed residential colonies, these sites are perfect for families looking for both comfort and convenience. Schools, hospitals, shopping centers, everything is just minutes away. With Vijayawada's real estate steadily growing, this is the right time to invest. Land here is not just for today, it is a future proof investment that grows with the city. Choose your dream house site today. Build your home in the heart of the Vijayawada with unmatched connectivity and growth potential. Contact us now at 738 22 922 and make the smart move for your family's future.